Tennessee bound, 651. Thank you. Here will be.
Now we're going to turn to lot number 7. You talk about a power heifer. Pay attention to the video. This is the last of the 3121 females in this program, guys. This is one of the first calves or first cows that they own a piece of the Symmetry Bull. Blue Lake does. So this is going to be one of the first calves out of that great young up and coming herd sire there. Here's a great young female. Step up daughters are pretty easy across the United States on the female side as well as the bull side. The udder development, the easiness of fleshing is all there. Guys, this is a real heifer calf. One of the power females here tonight. She's a bred heifer, 7.
7, going to have that Symmetry baby in the spring. Yes, sir. You'll like these step-up daughters. Here we go, lot 7. Half of the million, what do you say? 5,000. Half of the million, 5. Half of the million, 5,000. Bit of bomb, 2's bid. Half of the million, 2 bid, 2.5. Half of the million, 2.5, 5. Half of the million, 2,500. Bit of bomb, 5 to 5. Bit of bomb, 2,500's all. Half of the million, 2.5, 5. Bit of bomb, 2,500. Bit of bomb, 5 to 5. Bit of bomb, 2,500. 2.5, 5. 25. Half of the million, 2,500. Bit of bomb, 2.5, 5. Bit of bomb, 5. Now 7.5. Half of the million, 25, 7.5. And a bit of bomb, 25, 7.5, 7.5, and a bit of bond, 25, 7.5. I'm 25, 7.5. Here we go. I'm 25, 7.5, 7.5, and a bit of bond, 25, 7.5. Better deal, guys. Good bred heifer, 7.5, 6. Now 7. He give me 6 on the phone. Got to be 7, Trent. Have it a million, 27, 26, 27. Have it a million, 2,700. A bit of bond, 7, 7. Now 8. Have it a million, 8. A bit of bomb, 8. A bit of bomb, 8. Now 9. Have it a million, 8. Bid 9. Give me 9, Trent. 28, 29. Have it a million, 28, 2,900. A bit of bomb, 9 to 9. Now 3. Have it a million, 29, 3. A bit of bomb, 3. A bit of bond, 3 and a 3 and a 3, 3, 3, and a bit of bond, $3,000. You're out on the phone. Got to be 3. 29 bid 3. A bit of bond, 3. A bit of bond, 3, 3, 3, and a bit of bond, 3. A bit of bond, 29, 3. A bit of bond, 3 and a 3 and a 3. Got to be 3. 29, 3. $3,000. A bit of bond, 3. Said no. Solar 2,900, 2,900, 677, 2,900.
Thank you very much, Trent. Good job there. Here's 8A. Here's an opportunity tonight. Here's from the Extreme Genetics. Here's the Gettysburg out of the great 1573 female. She's the growth fund out of that great Sweet Gum Rita female on the bottom side. Guys, this is a special cow. Again, a cow that's done an outstanding job for Sean and his program. These Gettysburg calves are really, really good. We had a live online sale last week for Blackstone. They had some of the first Gettysburg, and they were really, really sought after. He was raised at Easy Angus. He's out of the legendary 7096. Again, one of the great cows in our industry. This is a bull that you need to get out on the ground floor. I can promise you. It's hard to get semen. It is available, but these that are young, that are ready to be born this fall or this spring, that's the ones to buy. Here's 8A.
8A, the pregnancy due in March. The pregnancy due in March. Here we go, lot 8A. Have it a million, 10,000. Have it a million, 2. Have it a million, 2's bid, 2.5, 5. Have it a million, 25. Think you 7.5, 3. Have it a million, 3,000. A bit of bond, 5. Have it a million, 35, 4. Have it a million, 35, 4. A bit of bond, 4,000. A bit of bond, 4. Now 45. Have it a million, 4 bid, 4,500. A bit of bond, 45, 5. 5,000 now 5,500 now 6. Have it a million, 55, $6,000. A bit of bond, saying got to be 6. A bit of bond, 55, 6. Now 5. A bit of bond, 65. 6 bid, 5. A bit of bond, 65. Now a bit of bond, 2.5, 5. Have it a million, 6,500. A bit of bond, 65. Now 5. A bit of bond, 6,500. A bit of bond, 65. Now 7.5. 65, 7.5. Got to be 7.5 in California. 65, 7.5, 7. Have it a million, 7. A bit of bond, 7 to 7 to 7, 7, 7. A bit of bond, 7 to 7. A bit of bond, 7. Have it a million, 7. A bit of bond, 7 to 7 to 7, 7, 7. A bit of bond, 7. A bit of bond, 7. Have it a million, 7. A bit of bond, 7, 7, 7. A bit of bond, 7. A bit of bond, 7 to 7. A bit of bond, 7. A bit of bond. Well, you in Virginia, y'all come in at the same time. You want to be 8? 8, 68. Got to be 68 in California. 68. 68. Have it a million, 68. Have it a million, 6,800. A bit of bomb, 8. A bit of bomb, 6,800 all. Have it a million, 6,800. A bit of bomb, 8. A bit of bomb, 6,800. A bit of bomb, 8. Now 9. Have it a million, 68, 9. Have it a million, 9. A bit of bomb, 9 to 9. A bit of bomb, 6,900 all. Have it a million, 8, 9. Now you're out in Virginia. You got to be 9. 68. Now 9. Have it a million, 9. A bit of bomb, 9 to 9. A bit of bomb, 6,900 all. 68, 69. Have it a million, 8, 9. Have it a million, 6,900. A bit of bomb, 9 to 9. A bit of bomb, 6,900. A bit of bomb, 9 to 9. A bit of bomb, 69, 68, 6,900. A bit of bomb, 9. A bit of bomb, 68, 9. A bit of bomb, 9. A bit of bomb, 9 to 9. A bit of bomb, 9. A bit of bomb, 68, 69, 6,900 all. A bit of bomb, 9. Sold it 6,800. California bound, 6,800. Thank you, Ron. 708.
Thank you, Ron. Now we're going to sell you the 3 IVF embryos. Here's the Gettysburg, same mating right here. 3 times the money, 1 pregnancy guaranteed.
All right, what's your bid times 3? What's your bid times 3? Have it a million thousand. Have it a million 200. Have it a million 2. 2.5 3. Have it a million 300's all. Have it a million 2.5 3. Have it a million 300. Have it a million 3 3 3. Have it a million 300's all. Have it a million 2.5 3. Have it a million 300. Have it a million 3 now a half. Have it a million 350. Have it a million 3.5. Have it a million 3.5 4. Have it a million 400's all. Have it a million 3.5. 400. Have it a million 4 and 4. Have it a million 400's all. Have it a million 3.5 4. Have it a million 4 now a half. Have it a million 4.5 5. Have it a million 500's all. Have it a million 5. Got to be 5 in Virginia. Have it a million 500. Have it a million 5 to 5 to 5 5 5. Have it a million 500. Have it a million 500. Have it a million 5. Don't lose out on the eggs in Virginia. Have it a million 500. Have it a million 4.5 5. Have it a million 5 to 5. Got to be 5, Danny. Have it a million 5 to 5. Have it a million 500's all. Have it a million 4.5 500. Have it a million 5 to 5 to 5 5 5. Got to be 5. Have it a million 500. Have it a million 4.5 5. 4.5 500. Have it a million 5. What do you say in Virginia? 5 now 50. 500 now 50. Have it a million 500 and a half. And have it a million 5 and a half. 5 and a half. 5 and a half. And have it a million 550. Have it a million 5 and a half. 550. Have it a million 5 and a half. And have it a million 550. Have it a million 5 and a half. Sold them 500. 500. You got the eggs. Virginia bound 706.
Here's one of the stout yearling females in the sale here tonight in lot number 9. Guys, look at who she is out of. 6012, the legendary black cap female. Again, one of the proven females in the entire industry. She's a hometown daughter. Look at the marbling EPD at 1.62. She's a calving ease female. A maternal sister to this female was the top selling lot at Bases Loaded last year. Sold from the double barrel program. Went to Katie Collin there in the state of Georgia. Guys, this is a real cow family right here. Get in on the ground floor. Her sisters have brought a lot of money. You can get on the ground floor by hometown.
Lot 9, the good fall heifer here, yes sir. Have it a million 10,000. Have it a million 10, have it a million 10 2. Have it a million 2,000, have it a million 2's bid 2.5 5. Have it a million 2,500, have it a million 5 and a 5, have it a million 2,500 all. 5 down 7.5. Have it a million 7.5 3. Have it a million 3 now 2.5. Have it a million 3 bid 2.5. Have it a million 30 250's all. Have it a million 3 bid 2.5. Have it a million 30 250. Have it a million 2.5 and have it a million 30 250. Have it a million 3 bid 2.5. And have it a million 30 250. Have it a million 2.5. Here we go. Have it a million 3 bid 2.5. And have it a million 30 250. Have it a million 2.5 2.5. Have it a million 3's bid 2.5. Have it a million 3 bid 2.5. And have it a million 2.5. And have it a million 30 250. Have it a million 2.5. Have it a million 30 250.
I'm not sure what the guesswork is here, guys. This is a direct daughter of 6012. That's all I can say. Again, you guys have seen him. You can read the footnote. There's been a lot of females that have brought in that $50,000 plus that are out of this cow. At this kind of money by hometown, you guys know what they can do. Beautiful development from udders. She's calving ease. She's got growth. Look at the marbling EPD at 1.62. Guys, there's so many bulls in this industry that you can use that you can make the first calf will probably pay double of what this heifer's bringing right now.
Only asking 30 250. 3's bid 2.5. Have it a million 30 250. Have it a million 3 bid 2.5. Have it a million 30 250. Have it a million 2.5. And have it a million 30 250. 3,000 2.5. Have it a million 3 bid 2.5. And have it a million 30 250. Have it a million 2.5. And have it a million 30 250. Have it a million 2.5. And have it a million 30 250. Have it a million 30 2.5. 30 250. Have it a million 2.5. And have it a million 30 250. Have it a million 30 2.5. Sold her $3,000. 3,617. Thank you again.
Here's lot number 10 and 10A. Here's the Guru daughter by the Enhance going back to 1059 on the bottom side. But the neat thing about this one is the bull calf she's raising. Here's the Voracious son. His number's at 182, 370 respectively. Eddie, this is pretty high. That's as high as you can, well, not as high as you can get, but is one of the high top 1% when you get into those figures. Here's the Guru daughter, again, out of an excellent cow line on the bottom side. We'll let you buy the pair, 10A or B. 10A, 10 and 10A. All
right, good 2-year-old and a powerful voracious bull calf is $370 C. All right, on the pair. Have it a million. What do you say? Have it a million 10,000. Have it a million 2. Have it a million 2. And have it a million 5. Have it a million 2. Bid 5. Have it a million 2,500. Have it a million 5. Have it a million 2,500 on. Have it a million 25 to 5. Have it a million 25 3. Have it a million 25 3. Have it a million $3,000. Have it a million 25 3. Have it a million 3. You're buying a pair, 2-year-old and a bull calf, $3,000. Have it a million 25 3. Have it a million 3 and a 3. Have it a million 3,000. Have it a million 25 3. Have it a million 3 and a 3. Have it a million 3,000. Have it a million 3 3 3. Have it a million 3 25 3. Have it a million $3,000. Have it a million 3. Have it a million 3 25 3. Have it a million 3 and a 3. Have it a million 3,000. Now 5. Have it a million 3. Bid 5. Have it a million 3,500. Have it a million 35 to 5 5 5. Have it a million be 2.5. And 3 bid 2.5. Have it a million 30 to 50. Have it a million 2.5. And have it a million 30 to 50. And 3 bid 2.5. Have it a million 30 to 50. Have it a million 2.5. 2.5. Here we go. And I'm 3 bid to the hand, bit on bull calf will pay the whole bill. You want to be 32.50? I'm 3 bid to the hand, bit on 32.50, bit on to the half hand, bit on 32.50, bit on to the hand, to the half. Here we go, and bit on 32.50, bit on 2.5. So 3,000. Joe Beaver buys on order 691. Thank you, Joe.
Thank you, Joe. Appreciate that. Here's lot number 11. Here's the Winchester female out of the great Playbook 7246. Again, a great cow line, a great numbered package right here. Guys, here's a nice young female, just a end of March heifer calf, lot number 11.
11 on a good heifer calf right here. Winchester, lot 11. Have it a million 5,000. Have it a million 5. Have it a million 2. Have it a million 2. Bid 2.5. Have it a million 2. Bid 2.5. 5. Have it a million 2,500. A bit of bond 5. To find a bit of bond 2,500. All. A bit of bond 2.5. 5. A bit of bond 2,500. A bit of bond 5. To find a bit of bond 25. 2.5. 25. Have it a million 2,500. A bit of bond 5. To find a bit of bond 2,500. A bit of bond 5. To find. Get to be 25. 2.5. 5. Have it a million 2,500. A bit of bond 5. To find. Be 3. Have it a million 3. 4. Have it a million 4. A bit of bond 23. 24. Have it a million 3 and 4. A bit of bond 2,400. A bit of bond 4 and 4. Better heifer, guys. Have it a million 23. 2,400. A bit of bond 4 and 4. A bit of bond 2,400. All. Have it a million 24. 5. Have it a million 2,500. A bit of bond 5. 6. Have it a million 5. 6. Go ahead and 5. 6.
Well, Eddie, you've seen a lot of these Playbook daughters, and I tell you what, the udder development, he's one of the top maternal bulls in the entire Angus breed. These Winchester cattle are really, really good. They seem to just really rise up from a numbers standpoint, but the consistency on them is really, really strong. I like the makeup that they are. This is just a young March heifer calf. Guys, this comes right out of the top of the program.
25's bid say. Have it a million 25, 20 say. Have it a million 25, 20, 600's all. Have it a million 25, 20, 600, a bit of bond say. And say, a bit of bond 25, 20, 600, a bit of bond say, a bit of bond 5 say. 25, 20 say. Have it a million 25, 20, 600, a bit of bond say, a bit of bond 25, 20, 600, a bit of bond say, and a bit of bond 25, 20, 600, a bit of bond 26. So we're 2,500 Illinois bound, 2,500, 669.
Here's the lot number 12. Here's the Wildcat female out of the Wilkes bred female on the bottom side. Again, a jet black going back to the Rampage. You talk about maternal traits. She's coming into the ring right now. Calving ease with 93 and 168 respectively on weaning and yearling. Guys, here's a nice young female February heifer. 12.
Lot 12, she's a Wildcat. That semen's hard to get your hands on right now. Here we go, lot 12. Have it a million 5,000. Have it a million 5, a bit of bond 2. Have it a million 2's bid 2.5. Have it a million 2 bid 2.5, a bit of bond 2.5. 5. Have it a million 2,500, a bit of bond 5, to find a bit of bond 2,500's all. Have it a million 2.5, 5, a bit of bond 2,500, a bit of bond 5. Now 7.5. I'm 25, 7.5, and a bit of bond 25, 7.5, and 7.5, and a bit of bond 25, 7.5. Have it a million 25, 7.5, be 6 real quick. I'm 25, 2,600, a bit of bond 25, 26. I'm 25, 2,600, 7 to 7, 7, 7, a bit of bond 7, a bit of bond 7. Now 8. I'm 27, 2,800, a bit of bond 7's bid 8. I'm 27, 2,800, a bit of bond 8. Got to be 8, Sean. A bit of bond 27, 28. I'm 27, 2,800, a bit of bond 8. A bit of bond 2,800 all. A bit of bond 8. Now 9. Got to be 9 in California. 28, 9. A bit of 3. A bit of bond 3. A bit of bond 3,000 all. A bit of bond 3. A bit of bond 3. A 3. A 3. 3. 3. A bit of bond 3,000. A bit of bond 3. A 3. You want to be 3? A bit of bond 3,000. A bit of bond 3. 3. 3. A bit of bond 3,000. What are you saying, California? You got to be 3. A bit of bond 3,000. A bit of bond 3. A 3. A 3. Be 9 real quick, Ron. 28's bid, 29, 28, 29. Have it a been 8, 9, a bit of bond 29. Now 3, a bit of bond 3, a 3, a 3. Got to be 3, Sean. Have it a been 29, 3. Have it a been 3,000 all. A bit of bond 29, 3. A bit of bond 3. Now 1. A bit of bond 3,100. A bit of bond 1. Got to be 1 in California. Have it a been 3,100. A bit of bond 1. 1. A bit of bond 3,100. A bit of bond 1. 1. 1. Got to be 1. 31. 3,100. A bit of bond 1. 1. 1. A bit of bond 31. 31. Here we go. 3,100. A bit of bond 31. Sold them $3,000, 3,000, 686, 3,000.
Thank you very much. Now we're going to get into a good pair. Maternal sister to this female brought a lot of money at Spruce Mountain. One of the strong cow families in the sale here tonight. Tiffany cow family is as good as it gets. Originated in Nebraska at Bill Rischel's herd, and I tell you what, then on a lot of those cattle went on to 44, but they went coast to coast, Eddie, and they've done an outstanding job. Here's the sure-fired female. She's got a no substitute bull calf at side. Here's a cow, guys. This 8518 is really, really strong on the Rubia Tiffany cow line. Here's one, could have been higher today, 13 and 13A.
13 and 13A, and got the good no substitute substitute bull, baby. Here we go. You're buying a pair. Have it a million 5,000. Have it a million 5 bit on 2. Thank you now 2.5. Have it a million 2.5 5. Have it a million 2,500 bit on 5 7.5. Now 3. Now $3,000. Have it a million 7.5 3. Bit on 3,000 bit on 3. Got to be 3. Bit on 3,000 bit on 7.5 3. Have it a million 3. Now 2.5 bit on 3. Bid 2.5. Got to be 2.5 in Alabama. Have it a million 3. Bid 2.5 bit on 32.50. Bit on 2.5 hand bit on 32.50. Have it a million 3. Bid 2.5 hand bit on 32.50. Bit on 2.5. Here we go. 3 bid 2.5 hand bit on 32.50. Bit on 2.5 hand bit on 32.50. Bit on 2.5 hand bit on 32.50. 3 bid 2.5 bit on 32.50. Bit on 32.5 hand bit on 32.5 hand bit on 32.50. 3 bid 2.5 bit on 32.50. It'll be 1, Mike. You can be 31, Mike. 3's bid 31. 31. Have it a million 3,100. Bit on 1 to 1. Bit on 3,100 all. Have it a million 3,100. Bit on 1 to 1. Bit on 3,100. Bit on 1. Bit on 31. 3,100. Bit on 31. Go ahead.
Yeah, I think we're missing the deal here, guys. At this kind of money, being a Ruby, a Tiffany cow line, these surefire cattle are consistent, but the most important thing is the bottom side. She's raising a nice bull calf at side, so when you can get in and then get in on the ground floor of one that's got this number package, that's got this kind of cow line behind it, it's really, really worth it.
31. Have it a million 31 1. Bit on 1. Thank you. Now 2. 1 2. Got to be 2. Joe 31 2. Have it a million 1 2. Have it a million 3,200. Bit on 2. Bit on 32. 31 32. Have it a million 3,200. Bit on 2. Got to be 2. Joe. Bit on 32. 3,200. Bit on 2. Bit on 32. 31 2. Have it a million 3,200. Bit on 2. The bull calf will pay the whole bill. Have it a million 3,200. Bit on 2. 1 to be 2. Joe. Bit on 2 3. I'm 32 and 3. Bit on 3,300. Bit on we're out, Mike. Got to be 33. 32 33. Have it a million 3,300. Bit on 3 to 3. Bit on 3,300. Bit on 3 to 3. Bit on 32. 3,300. Bit on 3. Got to be 3. 32 33. Have it a million 3,300. Bit on 33 33. Sold them 3,200. 3,200. 691.
Thank you very much, Joe. We appreciate that. Here's lot number 14A. We're going to sell you heifer calf pregnancy. It's going to be due. We're going to do this flush here just next week or next, coming up here pretty quick. Buy the Kindred out of the great vintage cow. Here's the 81 at 15. The Colonel daughter going back to 1564. That cow was at vintage and was also at Crazy K and one of the dominant cows in both of those programs. Stems back to 6108. I don't need to sit here and talk about how great that cow was, but this Kindred deal, guys, you're going to wish you had some. Here she is, 14A.
14A on the Kindred pregnancy. All right, and what do you say here? Yes, sir. Have it a million 5,000. Have it a million 2. Have it a million 2 bid. Have it a million 2 bid 2.5. Have it a million 2.5 5. Have it a million 2,500. Bit on 5. Thinking now 7.5 3. Bit on $3,000. Have it a million 7.5 3. Bit on 3 to 3 now 2.5 5. Have it a million 3,500. Bit on 5 7.5. Thank you, sir. 4. Have it a million 4,000. Bit on 4. You're out online. Got to be 4. Have it a million 7.5 4. Now 2.5. Have it a million 4 bid 2.5 5. Bit on 45 7.5 5. Have it a million 5 now 2.5. Have it a million 5 bid 2.5. Bit on 50 bit on 2.5 and bit on 50 bit on 5 bid 2.5. 5 bid 2.5 bit on 50 bit on 2.5. Here we go. And bit on 2.5 5 bid 2.5. Have it a million 2.5 and bit on 50 bit on 2.5. Now 5 5,500 out online. 5,500 bit on 2.5 on the phone. Got to be 55. Have it a million 5,500 bit on 55 to find the bit on 5,500 bit on 55 5 bid 2.5 5. Have it a million 55 2.5 5,500 bit on 55 to find the bit on 55. Sold it on the phone 5250. 670.
14B is out, and we're going to go to lot number 14C. These are 5 IVF embryos. They're the Gettysburg, as we talked about. Again, the Easy AR bull that went to Blackstone as one of the top-selling bulls ever produced in the Easy AR program at Easy Angus in California. Same great cow line, 5 times the money.
All right, guarantee you 2 pregnancies. What's your bid times 5? Here we go. Yes, sir. Have it a million. What do you say? Have it a million 500. Have it a million 2. Have it a million 2 bid 2.5. Have it a million 2 bid 2.5. Have it a million 250s all. Have it a million 200 2.5. 2.5 and a bit about 250. A bit about 2.5 and a bit about 2.5 3. Have it a million 300s on a bit about 2.5 300 now and a bit about 3.5 and a bit about 350. Have it a million 300 3.5 and a bit about 350. A bit about 3.5 and a bit about 350 and 300 now and a bit about 3.5. half, hand bit on 350, bit on 3 and a half, hand bit on 350's all. 300 and a half, hand bit on 3 and a half, hand bit on 350, bit on 3 and a half, hand bit on 350. You want to be a quarter, real quick? 3 and a quarter. 325, I bit about 325 to 5, a bit about 325, 5, a bit about 325 to 5, a bit about 325. Sold them 300, buyer 609, 300.
Turn to lot number 15A, and here's the voracious female. Again, we talk about, and I talk a lot about how good this bull is done. She's a bred heifer. This female's safe and calf to symmetry. Again, Blue Lake bought into that great herd sire, and this is an outstanding young female. Look at the marbling at 1.15, ribeye at 1.55, 335 in her $C. But more importantly, she's a spring bred heifer to symmetry. This is a voracious. This is one of the first of the bred heifers, to my knowledge. There's some around there, I know that, but here's one of the older ones, guys.
All right, going to calve right there to her 2-year-old birthday. Yes, sir. Have it about 5,000. Have it about 2. Have it about 2. Bid 2 and a half, 5. Have it about 2,500. Bid about 5 to 5, 25, 7 and a half. Have it about 7 and a half. Thank you now 3. Have it about 3,000. Bid about 3 and a 3. Got to be 3. Have it about 3,000. Bid about 3, 3, 3. Bid about $3,000. Bid about 7 and a half, 3. Have it about 3,000. Bid about 3 and a 3 and a 3, 3, 3. You want to be 3? Have it about 7 and a half, 3,000. Bid about 3 and a 3 and a 3, 3, 3. Bid about 3,000. Bid about 7 and a half, 3. Folks, we're not talking about more than commercial heifers are bringing. 3,000, 7 and a half, 3. Have it about $3,000. Have it about 7 and a half, 3. Bid about 3 to 3. Bid about 3,000. Bid about 3, 3, 3. Bid about 3,000. Bid about 7 and a half, 3.
Well, I tell you what, a sister to this female went to the Dunfore ranches in near Paris, Texas last year, and guys, excellent young female. When you go back into this pedigree, you see 6108 just sitting there. Again, she's one of the great cows in our industry. This kind of money, they're hard to produce. As what Eddie said, commercials can bring just as much as these are. This is going to be some of the first calves by symmetry, guys. Pay attention.
7 and a half, 3. Have it about 3. Nib it about 3,000. Nib it about 27 and a half, 3. Have it about $3,000. Nib it about 7 and a half, 3. Nib it about 3 and a 3 and a 3, 3, 3. Nib it about 3,000. 27 and a half, 3. Nib it about 3,000. Nib it about 3 and a 3. Gotta go. Nib it about 3,000. Nib it about 3. 27 and a half, 3. Nib it about 3,000. 27 and a half, 3. Nib it about 3 and a 3 and a 3, 3, 3. Nib it about 3,000. Solar 2750, 2750. Staying in Kentucky, 612.
Here's 3 embryos, so 3 times the money. Voracious out of the great 1755.
Times 3. All right, same kind of deal. Have it about 500. Have it about 5. Have it about 500. Guarantee you one pregnancy. I'm in the 2. Have it about 200. A bit about 2, 2, 2. A bit about 2. Now I had a bit about 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 3. A bit about 300's all. 2 and a half, 300. A bit about 3 and a 3 and a 300. A bit about 2 and a half, 3. Have it about 300. A bit about 3, 3, 3. A bit about 300 on. A bit about 2 and a half, 3. Have it about 300. A bit about 3 and a 3 and a 3, 3, 3. A bit about 300. Have it about 2 and a half. 300, a bit about 3, 3, 3, a bit about 300, a bit about 2 and a half, 3. Here we go. A bit about 2 and a half, 300, a bit about 3 and a 3 and a 3, 3, 3, a bit about 300, a bit about 3. Sold him 250 times 3. He'll keep the sisters as well. 612. Thank you, Ryan.
All right, now we're going to sell you 16 and 16A. Back into these good pairs. Here's the big league daughter out of the great Rampage 1522. Got a Beal breakthrough bull calf at side. Guys, here's some numbers. Here's some high quality. This is a good young cow in the program, 16 and A.
Got a breakthrough bull calf, yes, sir. Have it about 5,000. Have it about 5, a bit about 5, a bit about 2, bid 2 and a half. Have it about 2 and a half, 5. Have it about 2,500, a bit about 25 to 5, a bit about 2,500's all. Have it about 2,500, a bit about 5. Now 7 and a half. Have it about 7 and a half. Now 3. Have it about 3,000. A bit about 3 and a 3. Got to be 3, Joe. Have it about 7 and a half. 3. A bit about 3,000. A bit about 3, 3, 3. A bit about 3,000. Have it about 3. A bit about 3 and a 3 and a 3, 3, 3. A bit about 3,000. A bit about 7 and a half. Bid 3. Have it about 3,000. A bit about 3 and a 3 and a 3, 3, 3. A bit about 3,000 all. 27 and a half. 3. A bit about 3,000. A bit about 3, 3, 3. A bit about 3,000. 27 and a half. 3. A bit about 3,000. A bit about 3 and a 3 and a 3, 3, 3. A bit about 3,000. A bit about 3 and a 3. You be 8 real quick, Joe. 28. Be as fair to you. Have it about 28, 7 and a half, 8. Have it about 2,800, a bit about 8. A bit about 2,800, a bit about 28, 27 and a half, 8. Have it about 2,800, a bit about 8. A bit about 2,800, a bit about 2,800, a bit about 8. Now 9, 8, 9. Have it been 8, bid 9. Have it been 8, bid 9. A bit about 2,900, a bit about 9, 9. A bit about 2,900, a bit about 29, 29, 29. Solar 2,800, 2,800, 691 again. Thank you, Joe.
Thanks, Joe. Good job. Here's 17. Here's a good young female. Late in the sale here is just the end of March. Poss Winchester. Again, her numbers went up on $B and $C, 208 and 339 respectively. Here's a calving ease female. It's got marbling. lot number 17.
17, good springborn heifer baby here. Winchester, have it a million, what do you say? Have it a million, 5,000, have it a million, 5, nib it a bond, 5, 2, nib it a bond, 2, bid 2.5. I'm 2, bid 2.5, not very confident now, 2.5, and nib it a bond, 22.50. I'm 2.5, nib it a bond, 2,500, nib it a bond, 5. He did 3, 4, have it a million, 3, 4, have it a million, 5, have it a million, 4, bid 5, have it a million, 5, bid 6, have it a million, 2,600, nib it a bond, saying we're out in Illinois, gotta be said. I'm 25, 2,600, nib it a bond, saying now 7, have it a million, 2,700, nib it a bond, 6, bid 7. I'm 26, 2,700, nib it a bond, 7 to 7, nib it a bond, 2,700, nib it a bond, 27, 26, 7, have it a million, 7, 8. I'm 27, 28. I'm 27, 2,800, nib it a bond, 7's bid 8, nib it a bond, 2,800, gotta be 8, nib it a bond, 7's bid 8, nib it a bond, 800, nib it a bond, 27, 28, gotta go. I'm 27, 2,800, nib it a bond, 8, nib it a bond, 28, 2,800, nib it a bond, 28, 2,800, nib it a bond, 28. Solar 2,700, staying here in Kentucky, 629, thank you.
18A, and we're going to sell you lot number 18A or 18B. We'll let you pick and choose in these two female. We're going to sell you both of them. One's the Salvation and one's the Deadwood. Look at the numbers in these two young females. Again, they're out of 2820. The Discovery 6108. The Deadwood female. Look at the Marbling EPD. Guys, these are some really, really good cattle. Lot number 18A, 18B.
18A, 18B. Let you pick and choose here. Or double your bid and take them both. Here we go. Have it a million. What do you say? 5,000. Have it a million. 5. Have it a million, 2. Have it a million, 2. Bid 1. Have it a million, 2. Bid 1. Down 2. Have it a million, 21, 2. Have it a million, 2, 3. Have it a million, 4. Have it a million, 5. Have it a million, 2,500. Bid a bond 4 to bid 5. Have it a million, 2,500. Bid a bond 5 to 5. Bid a bond 2,500 all. Have it a million, 2,500. Bid a bond 5 to 5. Bid a bond 2,500. Bid a bond 25. 25 say. I'm 25, 2,600. Bid a bond 5. Bid 600 all. Have it a million, 25, 2,600. Bid a bond saying. Bid a bond 2,600. Bid a bond 25, 26. I'm 25, 2,600. Bid a bond saying. Bid a bond 25, 2,600. Here we go. I'm 25, 2,600. Bid a bond saying. Bid a bond 25, 2,600. Bid a bond 26, 25, 26. Sold them 2,500, 2,500. You win, William. Buyer 680. You want A or B or both. Make more money. Take them both, William. Takes the B at 2,500. Buyer 680. Now we'll say you A. Say you the Salvation. Here we go. Have it a million, 2. Have it a million, 2. Bid 1. Have it a million, 21, 2. Have it a million, 22. Thank you now, 3. Have it a million, 22 and 3. Nib it a bond 2,300 all. Have it a million, 2 and 3. Nib it a bond 2,300. Nib it a bond 3, 3, 3. Nib it a bond 22, 23. I'm 22, 2,300. Nib it a bond 3 to 3. Nib it a bond 2,300. Nib it a bond 3, 3, 3. Nib it a bond 2,300 all. I'm 22 and 2,300. Nib it a bond 3 to 3. Nib it a bond 2,300. Nib it a bond 3. Gotta go. I'm 22 and 2,300. Nib it a bond 3 to 3. Nib it a bond 2,300. Nib it a bond 3, 3, 3. Nib it a bond 23, 22, 2,300. Nib it a bond 23. So 2,200, 2,200, 671, 671.
Here's 19. Here's the Iconic daughter again out of the Black Cap 1564. There's a royally bred female tonight late in the sale. Iconic out of Jet Black, out of 1564. Guys, this is where you can put and breed this fall. This is a good young fall heifer right here.
Good heifer here late in the night. Yes, sir. Iconic back to 6108. Ready to breed this fall. Here we go. Have it a million, 5,000. Have it a million, 2. Have it a million, 2 bid. Have it a million, 2 bid 2.5. Have it a million, 2.5, 5. Have it a million, 2,500. A bit of bond 5 to 5. A bit of bond 2,500 all. Have it a million, 2.5, 5. A bit of bond one of the big bodied females of the night. 2,500 all. Have it a million, 2.5, 5. A bit of bond 2,500. A bit of bond 5 to 5. A bit of bond 2,500. A bit of bond 25. Have it a million, 2,500. A bit of bond 22, 3. Have it a million, 22, 3. Have it a million, 2,300. A bit of bond 3 to 3. Gotta be 3. I'm 22, 2,300. A bit of bond 3, 3, 3. A bit of bond 2,300. A bit of bond 3.
Well, I tell you what, you read the footnote of this one, it's worth every bit of this, guys. These Iconic cattle are really, really strong. The Jetback 1564. 1564 was a multi-million-dollar producer. I'm not going to tell you what to buy here tonight, but I tell you what, at this kind of money, this kind of genetics, they're hard to produce.
22, 2,300, 22, 23, 22, 2,300 all. Have it a million, 2 and 3, nib it a bond 2,300 all. Have it a million, 22 and 3, nib it a bond 2,300, nib it a bond 3, 3, 3, nib it a bond 2 and 3, nib it a bond 2,300 all. Have it a million, 2 and 3, nib it a bond 2,300, nib it a bond 3, 3. Gotta be 3, 22, 3. 23. Here we go. 22, 23. Have it a bone 2 and 3. Nibit a bond 2300. Nibit a bond 3, 3, 3. Nibit a bond 2300. Nibit a bond 23, 4. Have it a bone 3, 4. Have it a bone 3 and 4. Nibit a bond 2400. Nibit a bond 4 and a 4 and a 4, 4, 4. 23, 24. Have it a bone 3 and 4. Nibit a bond 2400. Nibit a bond 4 and a 4. Nibit a bond 2400. Nibit a bond 3's bid 4. Nibit a bond 2400. Nibit a bond 24, 24. So 2300, 2300. Goodbye right there, Ron. 2300, 708.
Probably the buy of the night. Thank you very much. Here's a really a good pair, guys. This is the last pair. We wanted to leave a good young 2-year-old cow to end the sale here tonight. Here's the Gold Keeper daughter out of the $18 million female on the bottom side. She's got a voracious bull calf at side. One of the biggest numbered calves in the sale here tonight. 165, 364 respectively. Here's a good 2-year-old pair to end the day. 20.
2-year-old, a voracious bull calf. Have it a million, what do you say? Have it a million, 5,000. Have it a million, 5, nibit a bond, 5, 5, 5, nibit a bond, 25. Have it a million, 2, bid 2.5, 5. Have it a million, 25, 7.5. Down 3. Have it a million, 3,000 all. Have it a million, 7.5, 3. Got to be 3 trend. Nibit a bond, 3. Down 2.5. Have it a million, 3, bid 2.5. Nibit a bond, 2.5. And nibit a bond, 32.50. Have it a million, 3, bid 2.5. And nibit a bond, 32.50. Bid a bond, 2.5. And nibit a bond, 32.50. You'll be 1, Joe. Have it a million, 31. Have it a million, 3, bid 1. Nibit a bond, 3,100. Nibit a bond, 1, 2. I'm 31, 2. Nibit a bond, 32. Got to be 2, Trent. 31, 32. Have it a million, 1, 2. Nibit a bond, 3,200. Nibit a bond, 2. Nibit a bond, 3,200 all. I'm 31, 2. Nibit a bond, 2. Got to be 2. Nibit a bond, 32. 31, 32. I'm 31, 3,200. Nibit a bond, 2. Got to be 32, Trent. Nibit a bond, 31, 32. Here we go. I'm 31, 3,200. Nibit a bond, 2. Now 3. I'm 32, 33. 3,300. Nibit a bond, 2, 3. Have it a million, 33. Now 4. I'm 33 and 4. Got to be 4, Trent. 33, 34. Have it a million, 3,400. Nibit a bond, 4 and 4. Nibit a bond, 3,400 all. Have it a million, 3 and 4. Nibit a bond, 34. Make a bring 35 or owner, Trent. 34, 33, 34. Have it a million, 3,400. Nibit a bond, 4 and 4. Nibit a bond, 3,400 all. Have it a million, 4 or 5. Have it a million, 4 and 5. Nibit a bond, 3,500. Nibit a bond, 5 and 5. Nibit a bond, 35. Got to be 5. Nibit a bond, 3,500. Nibit a bond, 34, 35. Here we go. 3,500. Nibit a bond, 35. So 3,400, 3,400, 691. Joe Beaver again. Thank you, Joe. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been my pleasure. Ryan?
Well, thank you on behalf of everybody at Blue Lake, Extreme, and Pineview. We really appreciate all your support here tonight. Again, we'll get cleared up with everything, and we can you can get with Kevin or Sean or Darren to get the cattle sent to you. Those of you that have purchased, will get you an invoice out here tonight. But again, on behalf of everybody at this program, we really appreciate all that you've done. We'll have some totals here in just a second. Let me get back to that. Let me refresh it up here and get it for you. All right, 20 lots grossed $104,775 to average $52.38. So 20 lots, $104,775 to average $52.38. Congratulations. Thank you all for your support. Have a wonderful night.